Hi, I'm Drew. We're about to start a very exciting part of the sprint, product development. During the first half of the sprint, the teams have been focused on learning about user needs and exploring available data, and now they get to dive into the fun part, building solutions. Throughout the rest of the sprint, tech teams will refine their ideas and develop their products based on the user research and data exploration they've done so far. During this portion of the sprint, your job is to guide the teams through the different stages of product development and provide them ongoing feedback and support connecting with data and their target end users. Your first task is to encourage everyone to begin or continue product design and development through your weekly email. Then, 2 weeks into this phase, teams will present initial concepts of their products to all participants during a concept pitch milestone. Your next task is to facilitate the concept pitch milestone. Each tech team will have time to share their initial progress and receive feedback from the sprint leaders, user advocates, data stewards, and other tech teams. You can use the information in the milestone facilitation guide template to help you build the agenda for that session. There will likely be significant variation in terms of progress and product maturity. Actually, as a fun fact, we used to call this an alpha demo, which really scared teams because they were not ready for a demo. And we would explain it was just a concept pitch, so eventually we renamed it. It's completely fine for teams to present anything from a few slides on their product concept to wireframes, mock-ups, or something more advanced. In between milestone calls, be sure to stay in touch with the participants. Next, which is usually weeks 8 or 9 of your sprint, you'll share information with them in your weekly email about the upcoming beta demo milestone, including details about what they're expected to showcase during the session. You can use the milestone facilitation guide template to help you draft your weekly emails and build agendas for all the milestones. Your next task is to facilitate the beta demo milestone. At this point, the teams should have more mature versions of what they presented in the concept pitch, which will probably include wireframes or a clickable prototype and maybe some functioning features. Each team will have a few minutes to showcase their progress and share information about the target end user, the user journey and workflow, what federal data they've incorporated so far, and what data needs they still have. User advocates should join this call to provide feedback, and remember, as the end users, their feedback is extremely critical. You can use the facilitation guide template to help you plan the session. After the demo, teams should incorporate the feedback they've received. And if you think any team needs more feedback or support, it's a good idea to reach out to them individually after the milestone. User advocates can help them identify potential beta testers. And at this point, teams should also be thinking about what metrics they plan to use for measuring use and impact of their products. For example, that might include the number of downloads or the number of monthly active users. To help you with product development, usability testing, and measuring impact, you can download some additional resources from the TOPx toolkit. Just click here to download them. After beta demos, teams should be close to an MVP, or minimum viable product, which is their final deliverable in the sprint. Watch the next video to learn how to facilitate the MVP demo milestone.